Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel on your laptop. First, find the Excel icon, usually green with an X, and click it to launch the program. Once open, you'll see a welcome screen. Choose Blank Workbook to start fresh. This opens a new spreadsheet, ready for your input. Take a moment to observe the layout, including the ribbon at the top and the grid of cells below. Now, let's get your data in. Simply click a cell, type your text or numbers, and press Enter. To make your data stand out, use the formatting options on the Home tab. You can make text bold, italic, or change its color. Also, easily adjust column widths by dragging the line between column headers, ensuring all your information is perfectly visible. Excel's true power lies in its formulas. To perform a calculation, type an equals sign, then your numbers and operators. For instance, to add a column of numbers, use the sum function, like equals sum parenthesis a 1 colon a 10 parenthesis. This instantly calculates the total. You can also reference individual cells, making your spreadsheets dynamic and powerful for various computations. Finally, let's save your hard work. Go to File, then Save As, and pick a clear name and location for your workbook. You can save it as an Excel workbook, or choose other formats like PDF for easy viewing. To share, use the Share option under the File tab, allowing you to email your document or upload it to a cloud service for collaboration with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.